Hey there, beautiful souls. It's Katie Joy here, founder of theglobalbutterfly.com and my signature programs, the 5-day Soul Goal Mapping Challenge and the Awaken Soul program. Today, we're diving into something game-changing, learning how to trust your intuition and stop overthinking your decisions. Have you ever had a gut feeling about something, but then talked yourself out of it? Only to realize later that your intuition was right all along. You're not alone. In fact, this is one of the biggest struggles that I see in my coaching clients. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to trust yourself, quiet the noise, and make aligned decisions with confidence. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to tell the difference between overthinking and intuition, and more importantly, how to strengthen your intuitive muscle so you never doubt yourself again. So let's dive in. What's the number one reason you're struggling to trust your gut? The biggest reason why people don't trust their intuition? They confuse it with overthinking. Here's the difference. Overthinking feels heavy, anxious, and confusing. It loops in circles, making you second guess yourself. Intuition feels light, clear, and calm. It comes in quickly, and it moves you towards inspired, aligned action. Your intuition always speaks first. Overthinking speaks second. So the next time you feel stuck, ask yourself, am I spiraling in my thoughts or do I have a clear knowing? So let me share with you how to strengthen your intuition today. Now, if you've been ignoring your intuition for years, don't worry. Intuition is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Here are 3 simple ways to strengthen your intuition today. Number 1, the first thought rule. The moment you get an intuitive nudge, capture it before doubt creeps in. Number 2, use your body as a guide. If a decision feels expansive and exciting, it's likely aligned. If it feels contracting or draining, it's probably not right for you. Or perhaps you're operating from a frequency of fear instead of a higher vibrational love frequency. Number 3, start a proof journal. Every time you trust your gut and it works out, write it down. The more evidence you collect, the more easier it becomes to trust yourself. And my final takeaway to share with you today is that intuition is your superpower. Trusting your intuition isn't about being reckless or impulsive. It's about learning to listen to your inner wisdom and taking aligned action. So let me ask you, what's one decision you've been overthinking lately? Instead of spiraling in doubt, I challenge you to pause, take a deep breath, and trust your first thought. Because the truth is, you already have the answers. You just need to trust yourself enough to listen. By the way, you access more of your inner wisdom and trust yourself more the more that you do the inner work to release the resistance of limiting beliefs, outdated programs, and letting go of conditioning that has kept you from being truly authentically you and trusting your higher self. The clearer your intuition becomes, the more you strengthen it as your superpower. It's this deep inner work that I help my clients with in my foundational 6-week live group coaching, the Awaken Soul program. If this episode resonated with you, take a screenshot, share it on Instagram, and tag me at Katie Joy the Global Butterfly, or Facebook, tag me at the Global Butterfly. I'd love to hear your biggest insight. And if you're ready to fully activate your intuition and start making aligned decisions with confidence, join me for the next 5-day live Soul Goal Mapping Challenge. Choose VIP to experience the magic of the Zoom room calls and get a preview of the Awaken Soul program experience. Let's activate your full potential. Link is in the show notes. Also, here are 3 additional ways that I can help you right now. 1, like and comment on this video. Also, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a single golden goodie episode. I drop these twice a week on a Tuesday and a Friday. Number 2, check out the playlists on my channel. You'll get powerful insights to take immediate soul-aligned action. And number 3, setting your intentions, clarify your goals to create your best year yet. Until next time, trust yourself, take inspired action, and remember, you are more powerful than you think. See you in the next episode.